Discover a world where creativity knows no bounds at the Institute of Contemporary Art, Miami, an artistic oasis nestled in the heart of the city's vibrant design district. If you're seeking an unforgettable cultural experience that fuses groundbreaking art with Miami's electric energy, ICA Miami is your must-visit destination. From thought-provoking exhibitions to an architecturally stunning space, the museum offers an immersive journey into the forefront of contemporary art that will captivate your senses and inspire your imagination. As a premier institution dedicated to promoting continuous experimentation in contemporary art, ICA Miami showcases works by both emerging and established artists from around the globe. The museum's dynamic programming includes rotating exhibitions, public lectures, and interactive installations that reflect the ever-evolving landscape of modern artistry. With free admission for all visitors, ICA Miami is committed to making contemporary art accessible to everyone, encouraging a deeper appreciation and understanding of the cultural dialogues shaping our world today. The museum itself is a masterpiece of modern design. Its sleek, geometric facade and light-filled galleries create an inviting atmosphere that complements the innovative works on display. Don't miss the stunning sculpture garden, a serene outdoor space where art and nature harmoniously converge. Here, you can wander among large-scale installations and enjoy a moment of reflection amid the bustle of the city. Located in Miami's design district, ICA Miami is surrounded by a neighborhood renowned for its luxury boutiques, gourmet dining, and cutting-edge architecture. After immersing yourself in the art world, step outside to explore the district's stylish streets, making your visit a holistic experience of culture and sophistication. Whether you're an art aficionado or a curious traveler seeking new experiences, the Institute of Contemporary Art, Miami offers a unique glimpse into the pulse of contemporary creativity. It's not just a museum, it's a gateway to understanding the artistic expressions that define our times. Make sure to add ICA Miami to your itinerary and witness firsthand the innovative spirit that makes this city a global cultural hotspot.